Today's unboxing, I'm gonna review and unbox a 12 volt lithium LiPo battery. This is a 10AH battery, 700A, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this for my riding lawn mower. Over years, I've been using lead acid, and every 2-3 years, I have to swap it out or change it, and that adds over a year add the cost because each battery costs about $75. So my thinking process was, why not upgrade to a lithium battery, right? It has a 2000 cycle and 3-year warranty built into it. And of course, lithium will last quite a while. Last year when we swapped our golf cart battery to lithium, it was a game changer. So that's why this year, when the riding lawnmower will start, I decided to go with lithium on the riding lawnmower too. So let's open it here, guys. It came with some bolts so you can, for your positive and negative cords. And then PDF, instructional PDF manual. And then here's the unit itself. Look at that, guys. There's nothing else in there. Oh gosh, it's so light, guys. Look how light this is compared to lead acid. It's about the same size, but actually the lead acid is a little bit bigger and it weighs probably 4 times the weight of this, 4 or 5 times, but this is so light. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this into a riding lawnmower, and then we're gonna see if it starts up. Now, one thing I did notice, guys, I want to mention before we do that, is that you want to make sure you have enough amp to start what recreation vehicle or riding lawnmower you have. So make sure you get enough amp on it. So this one has a 10AH 700A, so it should be okay to start up this Husqvarna lawnmower. So we're gonna go ahead and install this right now. Okay, so we can go ahead and take out the old battery here. And this is the lead acid battery. And, oh guys, this old one is so heavy. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, you're going from a 20-pound lead acid battery to maybe this is like 3 or 4 pounds. So this is so much lighter, guys. Of course, take these off here. You put in the bolts that came with it. And make sure before you buy it, make sure you get your dimension in your house and make sure it fits. So let me go get the bolt to that here. Again, these came with these bolts so you can hook up your positive and negative power here. And then you just put it on like that. Okay. And you got the other one. This is positive, negative. Okay. Now this is backwards, so because this is positive, this is negative, so we're gonna have to swap it around. Should be no problem. And then slide in, fits perfectly. And slide in there, and then you just put tight on, just like that, guys. Okay, get the other one. Now you might have to charge it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up with the crescent wrench. Don't tie it over tighten it, just tighten where it's good enough. And that's it. Now we're gonna give it a start here, see if it start up. Might have to charge it, so we'll find out. Let's give it a little start. Oh yeah. So yeah, nice thing about this, guys, is that as you can see, there's no wiring required. You just put in the original housing, make sure it fits your old housing, and then just plug in the positive, negative, and you start it, and it goes, you know. And I'm hoping, again, this to last at least 2,000 cycles, so that should give me about at least 5 years or more, compared to the lead. The lead don't last me about 2.5 years, and it died on me. So other than that, guys, until next review, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye now.